205 traffic. Lewis. Who's this Detroit? South. Lewis and just south of Detroit with an Indiana plate. It's Tom Queen Union 135.
Can you roll this one down? Officer Vestibular with the Lakewood Police Department. The reason I stopped you is because you almost hit me back there. You have your proof of insurance on you? Do you have anything to drink tonight? No? Nothing at all? Okay. Can you keep looking for that insurance? I'll be with you in just a minute, okay?
Come on. Next time I'm gonna have you step out. Step out. Get out of the car.
Can I ask why?
I'll tell you in a second.
Why in a second?
Get out of the car.
Why in a second?
I'm not gonna ask you again. I'm telling you to get out of the car. So get out of the car.
Why?
Now.
In a second.
Get out of the car.
What?
No. The next thing you're gonna say is, yes, sir, I'm gonna get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Can I?
Yes, and I will tell you as soon as you get out. But get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Let's go. He's going to tell you right over here if you just...
This stop began with a near collision, an officer's direct observation of a traffic violation. Under Terry v. Ohio, reasonable articulable suspicion requires specific articulable facts. An officer nearly struck by a moving vehicle clears that threshold without ambiguity. When the driver asks why she must exit, the law has already answered that question. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 106, decided in 1977, establishes a bright-line rule. During any lawful stop, an officer may order the driver out of the vehicle. No justification required. Maryland v. Wilson extended that same authority to passengers in 1997. The driver's right to ask why is protected speech. Her obligation to exit, however, is not optional.
Get out.
Okay. I'm just asking. What's going on?
Go to the sidewalk with that off.
Okay, I
Okay, come on over here.
All right. I know you said you had nothing to drink to this officer, okay?
No, I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
Well, how much did you have to drink?
I'm not going to answer that question.
Okay. Well, do you have any medical conditions at all? Anything that affects your balances or
No,
anything like that?
no, I really don't. No.
Okay, there's nothing wrong with your eyes or anything?
No, I'm a balance or something.
What do you mean? Like, is it like a medical thing or?
Yes, I am a vestibular person. I
What is that?
literally. You don't even care. Like.
I do, that's what I'm asking.
No, I like test people who have vertigo and all of this stuff. So.
But you don't have anything like that, correct?
No, I don't have any prerequisite. No.
Okay.
I don't. Thank you.
All right, so what this officer is going to do, he's going to put you through some tests to make
No,
sure that
I
you're
understand.
okay to drive.
I understand. I
Okay, so before you do that, let me get our way.
No, I appreciate it. I understand.
All right, you feel comfortable with this?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, all right.
I feel comfortable.
Okay.
Do you wear glasses or contacts?
No, I didn't.
You don't have contacts in right now?
Here, let's go further downwards, flat.
Okay, we're going to come down this way. Just follow these officers here.
It's more flat?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
This is more flat, isn't it?
Sure.
Okay, so we're going to do a test real quick. I need you to put your feet together. Keep your hands down at your sides and stay in this position until I tell you to move, okay? All right. For this one, you're going to look at my tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head, okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, you really want to make sure I don't have any nystagmus. Whereas that's 2 inches too far, everyone's going to have in-point nystagmus at those points.
Okay, keep looking at the tip of my finger, all right?
Absolutely. Since you only go 8 inches.
A little bit longer. Hold it. Good for that one?
Okay.
All right. All right, for the next test, just turn around and face this way. For this
Use
one,
this here, because this is going to be our best. You're
Okay.
sloping down a little bit. So have her face this way.
all right, turn around, face that way. For this one, keep your feet together again, put your arms on at your side, and do not move from this position until I tell you to do so, okay? When I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps.
Hang out a second.
9.
So what you're going to do is I'm going to get you into the instructional stance, okay? So you're going to put your left foot on this imaginary straight line that's right in front of you.
Yeah.
You put your left foot there. You're going to put your right foot right in front of it,
Okay.
touching heel to toe.
Okay.
Just like this.
Heel
Hands
to
down at
toe,
this side.
9 step. 9.
I'm not even talking about steps, just talking about standing like this
Okay,
first.
okay, so
Okay?
stand.
So go ahead, put your left foot, your right foot right in front of it. Make sure you're touching heel to toe, and your hands down at your side.
Okay.
Okay?
So what am I doing
Go ahead,
now?
try and like straight. So your one foot's going to be in front of the other.
This is
There
straight.
you go. Go ahead.
Okay.
What am I?
So you're going to stay like
So-
that the whole time, and then this officer's going to explain the rest of the test, okay?
So stay in this position with your right foot in front of your left, with the heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left, until I tell you to move. Go back to that position.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
stay in that position.
Okay.
Keep your hands down at your sides, okay?
Okay.
When I tell you to do so, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down this imaginary straight line that's in front of you, okay?
Okay.
And then they're going to look like this. 1, 2,
9.
3. So I did 3, but you're going to do 9. Don't move yet. On your 9th step, keep your lead foot on the line and use your other foot to take a series of small steps to turn yourself around. So you're going back the opposite way, and you're going to take 9 more heel-to-toe steps.
Okay.
1. No, not yet.
Oh,
2,
okay.
3, until you get to 9, okay?
Okay.
Do you understand?
It's really cold out. So.
I know. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, go back to that instructional position that he told you to. Put your right
here,
foot.
Right here.
No,
Well, my first step is 1, right?
no. So go back to with your left foot. Put your left foot on that imaginary line. Your left foot. Okay? Now
My
put your
left
right foot heel to toe in front of your left foot.
Okay. 1, right?
No. Put
This
your
is
right
done as 1?
Put your right foot in front of your left foot.
Nope. Well, you just told me to put my left foot there. Okay.
No, I didn't.
Left.
Okay. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes.
So when you're
Fine.
doing this, make sure you're counting out loud, and you keep your hands down at your side, okay?
Can I have them in my pockets or no?
Now just keep them down at your
Okay,
side.
okay.
I understand it's cold, but it won't take us too long. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have any questions at all?
No.
Okay, go ahead whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Keep going like he explained it.
Well, he said 9.
And then what?
He said 9.
And then you turn around and you do 9 more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right. We're going to do one more test, okay? For this one,
Okay.
keep your feet together again. Put your arms down at your sides and don't move until I tell you to do so, okay?
Would
So
never.
stay in this position. When I tell you to, you're going to raise one of your feet, either feet, it's up to you. You can choose either one, approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? Keep your foot 6 inches off the ground, keep your legs straight, and keep your foot parallel to the ground, all right? Keep your arms down at your sides, and you're going to count out loud like 1,000.
That's not a regulated vestibular test.
Okay.
Normally it's like off to the side.
Okay, but did you understand what I just said? Your foot 6 inches off the ground, keep your legs straight, keep your foot parallel to the ground, keep your arms down at your side. Keep your eyes on your foot and count out loud 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
Well, what's the cutoff for you to stop me?
I will tell you when to stop. So just when you start the
But
test,
what
don't
is the
stop.
cutoff for you to stop me?
It's when I tell you to stop.
Okay, but like, what's
You mean the
the
PC for the
normal?
traffic
Like what? Like what's the normal stop?
The stopping period?
Yeah. Like what's the regulated stop?
Well, I'm not really sure what you're asking. If you're asking how long we're going to have,
I'm
let's start 30
asking
seconds.
what the normal stop is.
For this,
Yeah.
it's at 30 seconds.
30. Okay. Then I will hold it for 30.
Okay. Do you understand the instructions?
So I have to hold one step up for.
Did you understand the instructions that I told you?
Well, tell me again.
Okay. Put your feet together.
I'm cold. I'm sorry.
Put your feet
Yes,
together.
Put feet together.
Keep your arms down at your side. I know it's cold. The quicker you do this, the quicker you're going to be done.
No,
Okay?
no, I appreciate that.
Stay in this position until I tell you to start the test, all right?
Okay.
When I tell you to start, raise one foot, either foot, your right or your left, approximately 6 inches off the ground. Keep your foot parallel to the ground and keep your legs straight.
Okay.
Keep your arms down.
I can do that. I'm a little cold. But yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you able to perform this test or not? Because if you're going to keep interrupting me during the instructions, then...
I'm not interrupting you. I'm
did.
asking for clarification. So, yes.
Okay, what do you need clarification on?
I just asked you and you gave
What?
it to me. Thank you.
Okay. So do you understand the instructions for the test?
Yes, I understand
Okay,
the
you
instructions.
may begin.
But,
You may begin.
okay.
All right, you can stop. All right.
Why?
At this time.
Once outside the vehicle, the investigation shifts to DUI detection under the NHTSA protocol. Before any field sobriety test, NHTSA's 2018 Standardized Field Sobriety Testing Manual requires a medical screening, asking about conditions affecting balance, vision, and mobility. The driver discloses a vestibular condition. This is the most legally significant moment in this footage. Vestibular disorders affect the inner ear's roll-in spatial orientation and balance. 2 of the 3 standardized tests, walk and turn and one-leg stand, rely directly on balance and coordination, functions that a vestibular condition can impair, independent of any alcohol consumption. NHTSA's own research acknowledges that medical conditions affecting balance must be documented and factored into scoring, or the test results lose their evidentiary weight. Horizontal gaze nystagmus, the first test, measures involuntary eye movement. It is the most reliable of the 3 SFSTs and is least affected by vestibular conditions. If HGN produced clear indicators here, that observation carries the greatest legal weight. Walk and turn and one-leg stand, by contrast, are directly within the zone of vestibular impairment. Any clues observed on those 2 tests are contestable at a suppression hearing, on the ground that they reflect a pre-existing medical condition, not alcohol impairment. Ohio courts have addressed this. In State v. Botsar, the Ohio Supreme Court confirmed that SFST admissibility depends on substantial compliance with standardized administration. Failure to account for a disclosed medical condition is a documented deviation from that standard. The arrest is made under Ohio Revised Code Section 4511, operating a vehicle intoxicated. Ohio applies a totality of the circumstances standard. No single factor is independently dispositive. The arresting officer's probable cause calculation must include the near collision, officer observations, FST performance, and all behavioral indicators weighed against the vestibular disclosure. Whether that calculus crosses the probable cause threshold is the central question any defense attorney will raise. The absence of a chemical test result in this footage leaves the probable cause determination legally fragile. Ohio Revised Code Section 4511191, implied consent means the driver has already consented by operating a vehicle. Refusal triggers an automatic license suspension, but cannot be used as evidence of intoxication at trial. Miranda rights were read post-arrest and before any custodial interrogation. Correct timing under Miranda v. Arizona 34 U.S. 436 decided in 1966. Berkemer v. McCarty clarifies that roadside pre-arrest questioning does not trigger Miranda. The driver's refusal to state how much she drank, both before and after arrest, is constitutionally protected. Under the Fifth Amendment, silence cannot be used as substantive evidence of guilt. Her refusal to sign the OVI questionnaire waiver is a textbook exercise of Sixth Amendment rights, the right to counsel before answering government questions following a formal arrest. No officer pressured that waiver. That restraint is both legally required and professionally sound.
You're going to be placed under arrest for operating a vehicle intoxicated.
Why? I kept my foot up. I kept my foot up.
Did you like?
Can I ask why?
Yeah, I'll explain it to you in a sec.
Can I ask why?
Relax.
Stop resisting.
I didn't know.
You're fine. You had too much to drink, okay?
I kept my foot up. I don't understand.
That's alright. You got someone that can pick you up?
Yes, but can I ask you why when I kept my foot up?
You didn't. That's why. It's just a totality of things, right? We believe you're too intoxicated to drive.
So what do you want me to do?
Nothing right now. You are just under arrest, okay? So we're going to take you back.
Stand here
for
for a second.
paperwork, and then we'll go from there.
You on that bag.
Mm-hmm. You have anything on you that's going to focus, prick us?
I don't know.
Any knives or needles on you?
I mean, there's nothing, no.
Okay.
Like, there's an ID and another...
It's okay.
Yeah. You're really doing the God's work. I didn't need anything further.
I got you. I understand.
See the... Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, for now. Do you want your UHID being brought with you? Because your car's going to get towed.
Why would it get towed?
Because there's no one here to drive it.
I have someone to drive it.
They're not here. Do you want your UHID with you or to leave it in the car?
There's someone to tow it right now.
There is going to be someone to tow it, you're correct. But do you want someone to take your ID?
So if I have someone to move it right now, would
No
that
one is
matter?
going to move the car. The car's getting towed.
Well, my friends...
No one, like, not
So
no one at
even
all.
if someone moved it right now, it wouldn't matter?
Yeah, no one's going to move the car unless it's the tow truck.
Even though they're a block away and they're
Yeah.
going to come up.
No one. So do you
Okay.
want your ID with
Do
you?
you have my cell phone at all?
Yes.
Okay.
ID in your property or in the
Well,
car?
it was in my pocket.
No,
and,
your UHID. Your work ID. Do you want that with you?
Yeah,
Okay.
probably.
Okay.
So even though it's a block away.
You gotta have someone witness it, and that's gonna be me.
Okay. You want me to wait a sec?
No, go ahead. I'm right
Oh, okay. I'm going to read you your Miranda rights, okay? Are you listening?
Yeah.
All right. Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to an attorney for advice before we ask you any questions and to have him or her with you during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without an attorney present, you will have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to an attorney. Further, you have the right to have an attorney present during any questioning. Do you understand your rights as they have been read to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, check yes, and then put what time it is. And I'll explain the waiver of rights to her. Alright, I'm gonna read you the second portion and I'm gonna explain it to you, okay? It's called the... Huh? No, me and him are... There's two of us, so it's good. So this is the waiver of rights, okay? I have read this statement of my rights and understand what my rights are. I'm willing to make a statement and or answer questions. I do not want an attorney present at this time. I understand and know what I am doing. No promises or threats have been made to me, and no pressure or coercion of any kind has been used against me. So basically what that's saying is we have a list of questions that we ask people who are under arrest for OVI. To answer those questions, you have to waive your rights. Is that something that you want to do?
No.
Okay.
The fact that you switched right now?
Officer Maller receives a B-. The stop was constitutionally valid. The exit order was authorized under Mimms. However, repeated commands without a brief explanation created avoidable friction at first contact, tactically suboptimal, though legally permissible. Officer Rothenbeller receives a B+. He administered all 3 SFSTs in observable compliance with NHTSA protocol, sought an appropriate surface, and conducted the required medical screening. He acknowledged the vestibular disclosure verbally. The deduction, documented weighting of that condition against FST scoring, is not confirmed in this footage, a gap that could undermine admissibility at trial. The driver receives an A-. She correctly declined to answer alcohol questions, refused the OVI questionnaire waiver, disclosed her vestibular condition proactively, and did not physically resist arrest. The minor deduction, extended verbal resistance at the exit command stage, carried no legal benefit, and delayed a process compliance would have resolved faster. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, disclose medical conditions before field sobriety tests. That disclosure is a documented legal defense. Silence on a known condition forfeits an argument you are entitled to make in court. Second, invoke your Fifth Amendment right early and clearly. I'm not going to answer that is sufficient. Extended explanations, partial admissions, and hedged responses create evidentiary problems that silence avoids entirely. Third, for law enforcement, acknowledging a medical disclosure is not enough. Document it, weight it, and reflect it in your scoring. An arrest built on FST clues that a court may later attribute to a pre-existing condition is an arrest at legal risk. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. If you found this analysis useful, consider subscribing for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.
It's illegal, so.
Okay.
Are you allowed to tell me your name?
Officer Rothenbuehler.
Rothen what?
Rothenbuehler.
Rothenbuehler. That's quite a last name. Were you made fun of in school? No? Were you involved in any nerdy clubs? No, you weren't even in, like, science club?
No. What's a good phone number for you?
Well, I'm not gonna tell you that, but I was in recycle club for a while.
You don't have a good phone number?
No, I don't.
You have a good email?
No, never.
This is just so the courts can contact you. It's in your favor. It's so they can get a hold of you if they need to. You want to give me your phone number?
I mean, I'm assuming they're going to ask me later for it.
I'm not sure they will. It's right now is when I'm asking you for it.
Hey, be honest with me. Like, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay. What's a good phone number for you?
Why?
It's so the courts can contact you if they need to.
So if you want to take it right now, no one's going to take it?
I'm not. I don't think so. I don't think they're going to ask you when we go in there. No.
So what's going to happen if they don't have my phone number?
They won't be able to contact you. All right. Well, we can just skip it for now.
Sorry, I'm genuinely not trying to be difficult, but like,
Okay.
I'm just trying to get home.
Okay.
And I genuinely think, like, I am a pro police, but like, I genuinely think this is...
Well, you've clearly been drinking tonight.
No, I like... It doesn't matter. I'm not gonna say anything. I don't have any hard feelings about you or anything what's going on. Like, but I'm sorry. I should have tried to play nice.
What's your social security number?
I don't know.
She wouldn't tell me your phone number.
It's not that I wouldn't tell you my phone number.
I asked you like 4 times.
I don't even know who you are. I haven't seen your face. I don't know who you are. Oh, where are we going? Can I ask where we're going?
In a jail.
Are you putting me in jail?
Oh, the door.
Yeah, you're going to jail.
For
OVI.
OVI meaning?
Operating a vehicle intoxicated.